What if everything you think you know about reality, space, time, matter, the whole shebang, is just plain wrong? We're about to dive into an idea so radical, it might just be the key to a theory of everything. And it all kicks off with one single powerful sentence.
Right there, that's our starting point. It's a wild hypothesis, and it basically says the universe isn't made of tiny little particles floating around in an empty void. No. Instead, it suggests the universe is made of only one thing, space-time itself, just behaving in some very, very strange and beautiful ways.
To really wrap our heads around this, we've got to challenge our most basic assumptions. So this first part is all about building a radical new reality, and we're going to start with the fundamental relationship between matter and space.
Now, this is a huge shift in perspective. We're all used to thinking of space as this passive stage, right? An empty box where all the drama of physics plays out. But this new view says, nope, space is the actor. Everything we see, from a tiny electron to a giant galaxy, is just a different performance put on by spacetime itself.
Okay, so if matter is just a behavior of space, that completely rewrites the story of our origins. So let's do it. Let's go all the way back to the very beginning and see what the first moment of the universe looks like through this new lens.
So the Big Bang wasn't some explosion of matter into empty space. Forget that picture. Instead, I want you to imagine a perfectly still, perfectly synchronized ocean of oscillating spacetime. The bang was the moment this perfect coherence just shattered, like a flawless crystal suddenly fracturing. And in that instant, the fragments of that perfect oscillation twisted up and became these self-trapped knots, and that, right there, was the very first matter.
All right, so the universe began as fractured spacetime. Now let's see how this theory builds everything else from the ground up. How do these knots in spacetime actually become the fundamental stuff that we know and see all around us?
So here's the absolute crucial point. A particle isn't a thing. It's what's called a topological defect. The best way to think about it is like a knot in a rope. The knot isn't made of something different than the rope. It's just what the rope is doing in that one spot. It's a persistent, stable shape, literally in the fabric of reality itself.
And mass, what is that? Well, in this picture, it's simply the energy of a vibration that's gotten tangled up in one of these knots. See, a free vibration, like a wave of light, it can just travel forever, so it's massless. But the second that vibration gets tied up in a geometric knot, bam, it has mass.
And this whole geometric idea goes even deeper.